Hello guys, let's start our lesson about estimating sums and difference of fractions and mixed numbers. Here we have estimation, sums and difference of fraction by using benchmark. Let's see here, in a market, Nader wrote a fraction to represent the remaining pieces out of the whole package of some goods. Then he estimates them using benchmark fraction as follows. What do you see here in the first picture? We have one only egg from 6 pieces. So the fraction is 1/6. 1/6, it is close to 0 package. The second, we have 5 pieces of sweets from 9. What is the half of 9? 4.5. So 5 here is close to half package. The last one, we have pizza, and I cut this pizza into 8 pieces, and I take 7 pieces from 8. So this is close to 1 package. Remarks: if the numerator is much less than half the denominator, the fraction is close to 0. And if the numerator is about half the denominator, the fraction is close to half. If the numerator is much more than half the denominator, the fraction is close to 1. For example, father asked Nader to estimate sums and difference of fraction using benchmarks. Here we have 1/6 plus 5/9. 1/6, it is close to 0. So I'm going to write 0 plus. And 5/9, it is close to half because the half of 9 is 4.5. So 5 is close to half. So now 0 plus half equal half. The second, 7/8 minus 5/9. 7/8 is nearest or close to 1. So I'm going to write 1 minus 5/9. This is nearest to half. So the answer is 1 minus half equal half. 7/8 plus 5/9. I want to make estimation for these two numbers. 7/8 this is close to 0. And 5/9 here, it is close to half. So 1 plus half equal 1.5. Put right for the suitable benchmark. Here we have the fraction, and here if the fraction is close to 0, and here if the fraction close to half and close to 1. 4/9. 4/9, it is close to half. 1/12. It is close to 0. 11/13. This is close to 1. And 9/20. This is close to half because the half of 20 is 10. So 9 is close to half. 2/15. 2/15, it is close to 0. Estimate the following fractions and then find the sums or the difference. Use the benchmarks: 0, half, and 1. 3/7 plus 3/5. Here, 3/7, it is close to half. What is the half of 7? 3.5 or 3.5. So 3 is close to half. Plus 3/5. What is the half of 5? 2.5. So also 3 is this close to half. Half plus half equal 1. 9/12 plus 7/15. 9/12, it is close to 1. Because the half of 12 is 6, and this is so far. So 9, it is close to 12/12. So this is close to 1. Here, 7/15. 7/15, it is close to half. So the answer 1 plus half equal 1.5. 4/9 plus 7/8. 4/9, it is close to half. And 7/8, it is nearest or close to 1. So half plus 1 equal 1.5. 4/5 minus 5/8. 4/5, it is close to 1. And 5/8, what is the half of 8? 4. So 5/8, it is nearest to half. So 1 minus half equal half. 5/6, this is nearest to 1. And 7/12, this is nearest to half because the half of 12 is 6 and 7 is nearest to 6. Now 1 minus half equal half. Estimate the sums and the difference using the benchmarks 0, half, and 1. 4/5 plus 4/7. Let's make estimation for these two fractions. Then make addition. 4/5. It is nearest to 1. Then make plus. 4/7. It is close to half. So 1 plus half equal 1.5. 10/12. 10/12, it is close to 1. And also 14/15, it is also close to 1. So I will make 1 plus 1 equal 2. 7/8 minus 3/4. 7/8, it is close to 1. And 3/4, it is also close to 1. So 1 minus 1 equal 0. 5/6 minus 1/4. 5/6, it is close to 1 because 1 whole means 6/6. So 5/6, it is close to 1. And 1/4, it is close to 0. So 1 minus 0 equal 1. The last one, 1/2 plus 5/7. 1/2 here, it is close to half because the half of 2 is 1. Plus 5/7. 5/7, this is close to half also because the half of 7 is 3.5. And 5 is this nearest and close to 3.5. So half plus half equal 1. Estimate each sum or difference from the following. The first example, we have 2 and 1/5 plus 6 and 11/21. I want to estimate these two mixed numbers. Here we have 2 whole number and 1/5. If I want to make estimate for this fraction, it will be close to 0. So 2 plus 0 equal 2. Then make plus. Here we have the whole number is 6 and 11/21, it is close to half. So I will write 6.5. Now 2 plus 6.5, it will be 8.5. The second one, 9 and 6/7. Here we have the whole number 9 minus 5 and 4/9. So the whole number here is 9. And 6/7, it is close to 1. So 9 plus 1 equal 10. Then make minus 5 here is the whole, and 4 over 9, it is close to half. So 10 minus 5 and half, it will be 4 and a half. The last one, 3 and 21 over 24 minus 2 and 1 over 3. Here we have the whole number 3, and this fraction is 21 over 24. That means it is close to 1, because 1 means 24 over 24. So 21, it is close to 24. So 3 plus 1 equal 4 minus, here the whole number is 2, and 1 over 3, it is close to half. So I'm gonna write 4 minus 2 and a half. So it will be 1 and a half. Thank you for listening. I hope you enjoyed the video.